frankly, majority of the way in which AI is framed right now in mainstream media highlights mainly the harms and risks for good reasons, right? Because they're thinking from a legal perspective. So copyright infringement, right? It's like people feel that, well, they feel used because the logics of the past about copyright have gone out of the window, right? And so there's a legitimate conversation to be had as who gets to, gain value. I mean, even monetary value, right? When data is extracted and excavated by these companies that are making a shitload of money at the cost of people who share the data without signing up for this, right? And so it does put into question, what does it mean to be online and public? Because when I'm public, I'm basically up for grabs, right? So there is a genuine conversation going on right now about redistribution of value. Nobody's saying we need to stop, because obviously ChatGPT and other kinds of tools have really changed the game. And in many ways, it's super exciting. But we also have to understand why people are pissed, because it's still in the hands of a very few actors, and that's pretty scary because we are all contributed without permission, without consent. And so I think there's a certain amount of dignity and respect that needs to be instilled, which needs to be thought about. What does data provenance mean? What does like ownership mean? What does collective ownership mean? What does redistribution of value mean? And these conversations are not had enough today, and they really need to be had. And what does digital harms look like when we look across different cultures? Like digital harms in Afghanistan on gender is a very different conversation than a kid in Boston, right? And we need to like come to terms about how culture and context can play a huge part in what constitutes harms, right? It's including bodily harm to the point of death. And so I think these are very visceral conversations that are actually playing out in genuine practice, and we need to wake up and just honestly think intrinsically about culture and context when we have these conversations.